Hi friends, welcome to Sarah Arts. Now today I am making another flower. It's called cornflower. The flower name is cornflower made out of foam. Okay, so let's start. What I have, can you see this petal? Now this is the size. Can you just see this ruler size? I'm sorry. This is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. You need 15 petals like this, and what you have to do is you have to cut this. See this. Random cutting. Now the cutting of this is completely 3 centimeter. This is 1.5 centimeter. Now what I have cut over here is 1 centimeter cut. The cut has to be this size is 1 centimeter. So यहाँ पे बच गया 2 centimeter and the cut is 1 centimeter. We need 15 such pieces. 15 pieces. I'll show you how you color it. Now I need one more petal. Here I have got petal. This is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. And the upper part is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 by 3.5 centimeter. And this you're going to cut little broad petals. You see this? A little broader compared to this one. Now this, you can see this is little thin, this is little broad. Now this I want 15, and this you can also make something 15 to 20. You make extra and keep it. You need extra and keep it. So this I need 15 only, and this you can make 15, 20, keep it extra. Now both you have understood how I have shown you the cutting. Now goes with the coloring part. Okay, so now the broad one, the second petal which is broad, not the thin one. The second petal which I told you 15 and 20. That piece you have to color acrylic blue color. This is acrylic blue color. I have diluted little water so that it's not too thick. It's easy for me to color. First you'll color the front side, let it dry, and then you'll color the back side also. Let it dry. Once it is dried out completely, you will color. This edges also has to get colored. You don't have to keep it white. See that it is done nicely. All the places is colored blue. I've already got one petal here. See this petal. I've colored it blue and I've kept it ready. So you need to color this blue and keep it ready both the side. Now you have got this thin petal. So what you have to do, you have to take two colors. This is my crayon colors. One is pink, dark pink, and one is blue again. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just take this pink color and I'll just rub it here. Both the side you have to do, friends. Not only one side, both the side. So first you will take your pink color and you'll rub it. You see this pink color I've done. Do it as dark as possible. Then you will take this blue color in your finger like this way. In your finger like this way. And you will just rub it like this way. So you will get somewhat purplish color. Pink and blue mix. You see this purplish color you get both the sides. You have to twist this. The first one, this is the first one, okay? We'll have to twist this, and with the help of scissor, you're just going to roll it like this way. After your blue, the blue one which you have done, once you have finished the coloring all the petals, you don't have to do anything. You just have to give a bend like this way. No twisting, nothing, just giving a bend. All the blue. So I have shown you coloring part and cutting part. Still many more things yet to be done. So this too we need to get ready and keep it. Okay, now I have taken this clay. I have got this clay and this is blue oil paint. I'm just going to put little blue oil paint here in this, and I'm going to mix this. Mix it nicely. We will take this much piece. See, this what you have to do is make it very thin. एकदम थिन करना है. Can you see this? एकदम थिन हुआ है. अब ये हमें कट करना है. देखिए. See this? How thin it is. Can you see this? See this? Can you see this? This much thin. What you have to do is you have to cut at 3 centimeter. 3 inches. Sorry, 3 inches. You have to cut this. You will make 15 such thing. 15 of them you'll make. You will make 15 like this way. You'll make a neat finishing over here. You make a neat finishing. Just like this, you see. 3 inches, not more than that. 15 pieces with clay. 15 pieces with clay, 3 inches. Okay, so let's start assembling our corn flour. So here I've got some pieces. See, now this you can always make it little small or big according to your choice. But these flowers are not too big. It is minimum, you can say this 2.5 to 3 inch flower, which looks very delicate. You can even make it a corset, or you can use it in your bouquets, or anywhere since small projects. This is not too big flower. These are small flowers. Okay, so let's start. You can use Fevikwik, but I'm using glue gun here. So now what I have here, you can see this, I have put the clay inside, and I told you to make something 15 of them, and 6 I told you to leave it as it is. You don't have to put any clay inside stick. So this you will have to stick it here, all first 3, and then going on round. So let's start with it. So this, like, I'm sticking here first 3 pieces. It has to be in same height, not too up and not too down. See, like this. So first you stick this 3 pieces. First 3, and then whatever remaining you will go round and complete that. Complete round. From whatever is remaining, complete round, you will complete that. I'll do that and I'll get back to you. Okay, see how I've done this. Can you see this? I just stuck 3 first, and then I just gradually went round, and I'm just pressing it from down. I'm pressing it from down so that it is stuck properly. Now I've got remaining 6 over here. So how you're going to put the 6? 1 here, then 2 over here and 2 over here. That way you're going to make the 6 round pieces. Like suppose 1 I have stuck here, so 1 you'll stick here, then 2 in the center and 2 in the center. That way you'll complete the plain 6 round this. Okay, can you see this? So first we did the round one, and then 6 I have put the petals around. Okay, and then just hold it for some time, let it stick properly. You can even put more if you want. You don't put it less, but you can always put more, but not less. Now we have this flowers with us. Right? Now what we have to do is you have to take this flower and put little below. You see this? You have to put it from here onwards. So this place has to be hidden. This place has to be hidden. See, like this way. Not too up here. You have to put it here. So what I do, first I'll take 3, 4, exactly same size, height, and then I'll tape it. Excuse me, sorry. And then you keep on adjusting. So whatever these flowers are there, you have to adjust all this flower here. Same height, not more up, not down. You see this? Same height it has to come. So it will go all round. Can you see this flower of mine? Complete round. So start putting like that way, complete round, and then I get back to you. So you understood? Like whatever is there, you have to just adjust the complete round. Keep on adding the tail, keep on adding the tail, and go on round, round, round. Okay, can you see this? I have adjusted all the round, round, round are gone completely. Sometimes you need to do overlapping. If suppose two are, then you don't have place, you can push it inside here. Just push it inside, and then go around with your floral tape here and make it tight. This you can adjust the petals later. Once we put the calyx, then we can always remove it out like this way out. The more out, the more beautiful. You just remove the petals out like this way. With the help of tweezer, you can do that, will be much better. See, when you get the bigger one, just doing it outside like this. Adjusting all the sides. Like this way. Now goes with the calyx. Now before that, you need to put tissue. It has to be only this much size of your finger. If your finger is long, then you make it a little small. Agar your finger is little, the cuts of your finger is this much, you need only this much, not more than that. So you need to round up the tissue first. This is not very thick. It is not very thick. You can go on your Pinterest and check. This is not thick. So don't make it too thick. It has to be little thick only. Can you just have a look? Not much thick. Then you're going to put your first layer of calyx. The tissue should not be seen. The first layer of calyx. Stretch and put your calyx. Second layer of first layer is done. Now that we'll do second layer. Now we'll go with the second layer. Like this. Just little below. Can you see? Just little below. Not too down, not too up. Little below. You'll pinch here and you roll with your tape. But before rolling, I need to put here also little bit of tissue. So I'll wrap it with the tissue first. Not too thick, not too thin, medium. And now with your floral tape, stretch it and then put it. And this how your, and then you can gradually pull this flower little because wire is there, so you can pull it little down from all the sides. Can you see this? When these flowers are ready, I made one in light color. You see this? In light color, and one a bud type, a small bud. Happy crafting!